Hi guys. So this week should be an exciting week. It's Androids week, finally. I have only been waiting for this particular week since July 9th. I have been watching season 3 of Androids to refresh my memory, and every season gets better. So I am so happy. I finally got past level 390. It was a really hard level. It should have been red, but it's not. I cannot believe that it will be March this week either. Bring on daylight savings because I don't like the sun to go down at 5:30ish. That's insane. Like, 5:30 is the end of the afternoon. And then you stay up until 10. So yeah, the starting level for Candy Crush Jelly for this week is 391. Welcome to the vlog. And that's all folks.
Three, two, one.
Hi guys. So we just got back from my doctor's office. I'm going to get new glasses because these are they're cute. But I cannot handle all the bending and the cleaning anymore. They never stay bent or clean. So I am sad because I absolutely love my glasses. But they just don't work. So it's going to be a month or more before they get here because I have an appointment in a couple of weeks. And yeah, I won the level that I was on. Now I'm on a jelly level, which is my favorite type of level. I'm so close to hitting a huge milestone. I can almost taste victory. Muhahahaha. Now I'm going to text my aunt and possibly go on a walk. And that's all folks. Hi guys. So I just had a terrifying thing happen. The battery information on the dynavox was completely gone. And it happened before when the dynavox was dying. So it was scary. But I restarted the dynavox, and everything is back. Thank goodness. It's the last day of February. Already? Yeah. February just started, it seems like. And tomorrow will be March. March is going to be absolutely insanely busy. It's going to be a good month. Androids, the new smart nav, and something that I am not going to tell you just yet. I will tell you, but not right now. And it's the end of daylight savings. I'm not sure if it's ending or it's starting. The savings always confuse me. I cannot wait until I can sit outside and do the vlogs. I don't have to worry about that giant dog in the yard next door because I hear they moved. So I was just messing around on my dynavox last night. And I was fixing the remote because I took the rewind button and the fast forward button off of it. Well, that's the problem with the VHS player. So I was adding them back in. And I clicked them, and it worked. Seriously? So yeah, I'm going to get on my computer. And that's all folks. Hi guys. So the new tracker is just waiting to get shipped off. And it will be here soon. I'm going to love this month. I was laying in bed, and do you know what I figured out? If February has 28 days, March is an exact replica of February. That blows my mind. I wonder if people have ever thought about that. It's interesting. That's the type of thing I think about when I lay in bed. It's CP Awareness Month. All month long, I am going to do videos about CP and my life on my other channel. It's always linked at the end of the videos. Just click my face with the blue shirt on. And then subscribe to both of my channels. I don't think I have explained that before. But that's why there's always two faces at the end of each vlog. I'm on a licorice level, and it seems like it was going to be easy, but it's not because of the butterscotch. I don't know what you call them. But yeah, it's not easy. I won the first time I played this morning. And then I got on my current level, which is being annoying. I don't like licorice. It's actually pretty nice outside. I am going to get on my computer and do stuff. And that's all folks. Hi guys. So I had some of the vlog typed, and then the dynavox turned itself off. But basically, I was talking about how you guys are going to freak tomorrow when I say the final ending level of the week in Candy Crush Jelly. It's pretty insane. So I also play the normal Candy Crush. And I just got to the point where the candy changed color. What the heck? It's pretty difficult. But I knew that the normal Candy Crush is way more difficult than Candy Crush Jelly because I used to play it. But now I only play it if I get locked out of Candy Crush Jelly or if I'm stuck in Candy Crush Jelly. So yeah, it's pretty gray outside. We're one day closer to daylight savings, which starts. I looked it up. It starts in the spring and then it ends in November, or maybe October. I'm going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Okay, so I have been dying waiting for this. So I have my dad because they don't trust me with a knife. So he's here so I don't cut myself. Dad, let's break into it. Carefully and no blood. Make your incision. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up. And that's all, folks.